Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here on Talk Daily, where we're going to be talking about the M2, the brand new M2. BMW has posted a teaser on their Instagram account showing it, and it's saying, hey, what do you see under the Mexican sun? And I see a lot of cactus and mountains. And oh, what is that? That's the car. It's BMW. I get the humor. Anyway, before I go any further, this article, Joey Caprella once again, and it's from Car and Driver. As always, I have a link to this article in the description below the video. So what is special about the M2? Why people are very excited about the M2? Well, obviously the M2, in my opinion, is what the M3 used to be. I'm giving a pause for all the people start typing the angry comments saying, you don't know what you're talking about. Back in the day, the M3 was a very light, small weight car that, you just performance vehicle. Literally, it was ultimate machine. You could be performance, could be luxury. That's why I said I like the Audi. In another video I made with the Audi, I said I like it because it's, it's everything in the package. Well, that's what the M2 is. It's in the smaller version. It's two-door. It's what we really want. What we want is performance, a car that has good amount of horsepower, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive. Have a nice day. And it's, then BMW looks and performance and value. So reading from the headline, BMW M has posted photos of a prototype for the next generation M2. It has a wider body than the 2 Series coupe, is packing considerably more horsepower. Manual transmission is rumored. We expect the M2 to debut later this year. They're talking about the last generation of BMW 2 Series Coupe quite a bit. They actually like it. They're talking about how much they loved it. The BMW M gave us a taste of what to come by posting these photos, which I just showed you. Regarding the cactus, was under the Mexican sun. Oh yeah, they're manufacturing in Mexico and a plant in Mexico, if you're not aware of that. I don't know exactly where specifically in Mexico, but anyways, the M2 has a considerably wider body than the 2 Series coupe, with a difference especially noticed around the rear hunches, where can also see quad exhaust tip, larger wheels and tires, and few extra vent for enhanced cooling. The M2 interior likely won't be that different from the standard 2 Series coupe, meaning it will offer a stable, usable set of rear seats, unlike many of its sport car competitors. I don't think people are buying this because it has the rear seats, but that's definitely a plus. Here they're speculating about the engine. They're saying the S55 twin-turbo 3.0 liter inline-six, they're making 405 horsepower. That's an outgoing version of the engine. Again, now they're going to have a new powertrain, a new engine. It's the S58 twin-turbo 3.0 liter inline-six, making 472 horsepower. But that was in the M3 and the M4. Most likely M2, they're probably going to, I don't want to say they detune it, but it's probably not going to be under so much, let's put the word stress, and probably making a little bit more than the, 405. Definitely more than the 405, but I don't think it's going to be at that limit of 473. The transmission, rumored to be the manual. They're going to keep a manual. Why not? So we don't know yet. We don't know about a manual transmission, but I hope they're going to keep it. And they're talking about, see, there you go, that's a mid 400 horsepower range to provide a significant boost over this predecessor, and the current M240IS single turbo B58 engine, 382 horsepower. Okay, so it's going to make definitely more than 405. That's for sure. And then they're talking about the manual transmission, despite removing that option from the base 320. I don't know, they keep talking about the 230i, which is not really relevant to the M. The M, it's always their own thing. It's likely to be the same 6-speed unit from the M3, which is nothing wrong with it. By the way, again, that's just my opinion. BMW transmissions are... the best transmission I ever driven was the S2000. That thing was crisp. My Miata transmission, when I did, I had to do some modification to it, and, it was good. It was good, after you do, but that's aftermarket. Okay, stock, no. Honda makes amazing transmissions. A manual transmission, they're fantastic. BMW wasn't, I'm not too, I was kind of disappointed when I drove the M4. I'm like, the M3, I was like, yeah, wasn't bad. Okay, so let the hate comment begin. Anyways, but at least they offer it. I'm happy they do offer it. As far as the torque converter 8-speed auto from the M3 competition, I don't know about that. It's going to be an option. Hey, if you don't want to go to the gears, you don't want to. It's completely up to you. Whatever floats your boat. So they're saying look for more official information to come within the next few months, as BMW expect to reveal the new M2 in the fall before it goes on sale by the end of the year. Now that's 2022. That's what the car is going to be available. So yay. That's fantastic. So I mean, who does not like the M2? Small, a little bit more lightweight, a little bit cheaper than the M3. So it'll be fantastic to see what the final result will look like. Obviously, these pictures, I see a lot of these cars. Where I live in Southern California, I get to see a lot of these cars. A lot. I'm so familiar with this, like, camo, whatever. We have Mercedes here. BMW comes here. A lot of cars to drive up here. I don't know what it is, but it's really interesting to see these cars. I try to follow them, like, hey, dude, wow, sweet. And it's like, go away. Nah, I don't follow them. Leave them alone. They're most of the time they're driving, testing, gathering data and sensors. One time I spoke to one of the guys. They're really friendly, but they're like, hey, no pictures. But it's everything is covered. I mean, if you look in the dash, everything doesn't even look like what the car's supposed to be. All the stuff is actually covered. They do that thing intentionally, especially the dash and the center console. All these things are hidden. Anyways, as always. Thank you for watching. This has been the BMW 2 and BMW M2. And yeah, it's coming soon, the end of the year. The car is ready for production. And it's going to be exciting. Brand new inline-six. Only BMW is making right now inline-six turbo. I don't know why. Well, is it only BMW? Is it? I'm trying to remember. No, most manufacturers right now, they have a V6. Very few have an inline-six. So, good job on behalf of BMW. Good job for BMW for keeping the inline-six alive. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. And as always, thanks. I really appreciate everybody. You know what? Before I finish, I'm kind of looking. What is that? Oh, that's a cutoff for the headlight. Oh, okay. And it's kind of weird. You see that? Like, I could see underneath the lip. Is that? Okay. That's how it is. No, I don't know. Is this Photoshop? No, it's not. Sometimes I look at these pictures, I'm wondering, is this... Because it kind of looks odd here, huh? Like, this area over here looks kind of odd. Yeah, it looks weird. I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, I've been blabbing along for a while. How long has this video been? Oh, 7 minutes? It's not that bad. Anyways, finally... All right, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.